Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Becky's Garden. Today I'm going to do a little bit of an update here on these grape hyacinths that had bloomed and put on these little pods on it. And sure enough, I was out here watering this morning while I was watching My Gardener's video on how to water. It was just kind of ironic. And so I was listening to that and I was watering, and good news. Apparently I water correctly. Anyways, I was watering and I came over here and this is at the very end of my gardening area because most of all my flowers had already bloomed for the season, and so I just moved them down and moved my other pots up that I've planted lettuce seeds and stuff into. And so I've got like two that just has like blooms and blossoms and things like that. So I had done a video on this previously, and I was asking, are these seed pods? Well, today when I was watering, if you can see, the sun was shining through them, and there are these little, you can see these little dark spots inside of the pods. You see that right there? That little dark spot right down there, right there at the bottom? Yeah,